Hi everyone, Namaste. So today I'm doing a Shein.com haul video, and also there is going to be a try on thing because people were asking me to do a try on also. So before starting the try on, I want to tell you something about Shein.com. So I got to know Shein.com through Instagram. जो Instagram पे sponsored ads आती है तो उस पे मुझे ये दिखा, and you can download the app from the App Store or from the Google Play Store, and you'll get to see the collection is very much similar to Zara. The prices are half, like if you're getting a shirt for 3,000 on Zara, so you'll get it for 16 to 1700 on Shein.com. But when you are buying clothes online, so you are not sure of the design, the pattern, that it exactly looks the same as shown in the picture. Even you are not sure about the fabric. So even I purchased few of the clothes, and two of the dresses were mentioned as to be cotton, but they came out to be as polyester. So I complained Shein.com that what you have sent me is 100% polyester, but you have provided the information on your app that it is 100% cotton. So I told them that don't mislead people, don't fool around people, and provide a right information for the customers. So they apologized me for their mistake, and they have compensated the amount, like not full amount. I have two of the dresses, जैसे 3,000 की थी, so they have paid me half of the amount. They have credited that amount in my Shein.com account. So from that money I can buy something else from Shein.com, but I have told them strictly that please provide right information to the customers, because there are people like me who are allergic to polyester. I'm not exactly allergic, but my skin is very thin. I have hypohidrosis. I cannot wear a polyester dress, especially in the morning time. I try to avoid polyester. I have told you in my previous video also that I only prefer cotton and linen, but sometimes I have to compromise with the design if the design is very pretty, so I do buy a polyester top. But now it's okay, they have compensated for it, and I hope that they will not repeat this mistake in future. I have specially told them that please provide right information. Don't say that it is cotton and then you are giving a polyester dress. So this should not repeat. So let's see in future how they are going to serve us. So here is the package. और इसमें सारे जो भी मैंने कपड़े मंगाए थे सब इसी में है, एंड आई डिडंट पेड द कस्टम ड्यूटी. एंड इवन इफ यू आर बाइंग समथिंग फॉर I think around 3,000 or 4,000, so the shipping charges are not included. The shipping is for free if you buy for this amount. And the best thing I like that I didn't have to pay the custom duty, because I also buy it from feelunique.com, so I paid around 1,500 as a custom duty for that products, but for this I didn't paid anything. The Shein.com package came from a private courier company, and the feelunique.com package came from a government company. So I think that if the package is coming from the government company, so you have to pay the custom duty for that thing. One more good thing I liked about this company is that the packaging is very nice. All the clothes are in separate packages, and you can see that there is a zip, this transparent zip kind of a thing over here, and you can even store your things or your goods inside this, or even your clothes. I think I have given a detailed review of this company, so now let's come to the try on. Okay, so the first thing is this t-shirt, and it is of a very loose fitting, and it has this off shoulder and this crisscross pattern on the neck, and this thing is very much in these days. The size is extra small, पर इसकी फिटिंग ही ऐसी लूज बनाई है, that's why it is looking like this. And the fabric is cotton and viscose mix, and it is exactly the way they have shown on the website. So a big thumbs up from my side for this top. Next is this top. The fabric is cotton blend, and I purchased this top because it has this very cute bow over here, but it is not exactly looking the way it was looking on the app. So it is average for me. I mean मुझे ये इतना अच्छा भी नहीं लगा, इतना बुरा भी नहीं है. It's okay type. Next is this crisscross bodysuit, and the fabric is cotton, and I quite like this pattern, so that's why I purchased this, and it is exactly the way they have shown on the app. So a big thumbs up for this one also. Next is this split sleeve blazer, and this is in the fabric polyester, so better you wear it in winters only. And this was on heavy discount, like 90% was off on this. this, and I purchased this for 500 or 550 I guess, and this is exactly the way they have shown it on the app. So a big thumbs up for this one also. Next is this cami top, and the fabric is viscose and polyester mix. The size was free, it was of a free size, so that's why the neck is plunging so much, but still I like this top. This is looking very pretty, the print is very pretty, so a thumbs up for this one also. Okay, so next is this dress, and I was talking about this dress only. The fabric is 100% polyester, but they have mentioned that it is of a cotton fabric. I quite like the design, I like the print. It has embroidery over here, the thread embroidery, which is very much in these days, and it also has these bell sleeves, and it is just above my knees. Overall, I'm not that much satisfied with the dress just because of the fabric. Otherwise, the print, the pattern, the design is very pretty. This is the next thing which I was talking about. This is not even 100% polyester, this is 500% polyester, and I purchased this because of the embroidery print. It has this thread embroidery, you can see it on the sleeves. It has a very beautiful thread embroidery, and it is just above my knees, और इसके border पे भी ऐसी thread embroidery दी हुई है. So the design was looking really beautiful, and this is of a loose fitting. This is the reason I purchased this one also, and I love wearing loose fitted dress. So overall it is looking nice, but just the drawback is the fabric. I'm very much tired after trying all these clothes, and I still have few more things to show you guys. These are the makeup tools. I have this compact applying sponge, and this was very cheap, like this was for 100 or 150. I also purchased this toothbrush foundation blender, and this is extremely soft, and this is in the color pink, so I thought to purchase this one also, and it was really inexpensive. It was just for rupees 300. And I also have this makeup brush kit. So these are the wooden brushes, and the bristles are extremely soft. So I think there are 1 2 3 4 5 yeah, there are 10 brushes, and the price was also very inexpensive. It was just for 500 or 600 rupees. So this is the reason I purchased this. So I'm done with the haul and try on thing, and overall I liked Shein.com. Just the only drawback is this, that they don't provide the right information about the fabric, but I have mailed them, and let's see they are going to improve with that or not. And of course I'm going to buy it because they owe my money. So yes, I'm going to definitely buy other stuff from Shein.com. So I'm done with the video, and I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you enjoyed, so give it a big thumbs up, and don't go without subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye.